everyone, so today I'm going to show you my the latest Honey Glow finisher. If you want the chuk chuk complexion, which is the glass skin kind of effect for Koreans, okay, you can try this one. And this is the best part: if you are oily skin like me, you can mix together with the matte liquid foundation so that so that you don't have to use another liquid foundation or mattifier to reduce or shine on your skin. Okay, so you can actually use this together. For those who have acne or pimple skin, use a little bit, goes a long way, don't put too much. Yeah, okay, good. So I already put my primer on my skin. Okay, let me show you. I put primer. Okay, for primer, I only put it on my nose area because it helps to absorb oil and reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, then I'm going to use you can mix together with your liquid foundation. So I'm going to use the Honey Glow finisher. Okay, this is only $45 and can use a lot for many months. You see, I only use a little bit. Okay, just like that. And then after that, I'm gonna mix with my liquid foundation. I'm using the matte Ivory 5 liquid foundation. Okay, because I'm going for Korean glass skin, right? So I like a little bit. If you realize, a lot of Koreans, right, they have one shade lighter face compared to their neck. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna on the light. Sorry. Okay. So for foundation, everything just move downwards because you're supposed to actually makeup, right, helps to aid in terms of like prevent it's like acts like a barrier against the environment, plus it helps to enhance your beauty. All right, so many women tell me, no need to put makeup lah when I go out, right? Actually, it's if you don't want to put a shield against your skin and then you want to look older, fine by me. Okay, but if you want, because you know, after you put sunblock, it can be quite sticky, so you can put either powder or foundation to act as a barrier against the skin. Because you know what, because we are living in the city area, so all the dirt and the dust and the heavy metals, that's very dusty and like dust, because when they drill the metal, right, sometimes all this fine metal dust are stick onto your face as well. So if you live near to the industrial area, especially Tuas area, right, you realize that your skin is very dull complexion. I went to many Tuas company, right, and then most of the girls, right, their skin are very dull. Yeah, so that's the reason why I would advocate on putting foundations, especially if you work in an industry area. But of course, if you are an engineer and you work in a wafer chip industry and you can't put on makeup when you are in the lab, then that I understand. But you know, if you can, after the lab, when you come out from work, put on a little bit of makeup before you go home, because you never know who you're gonna meet, right? Okay, cool. I really love this. Can you see the chuk chuk kind of complexion? Very glassy kind of feel. It's very different from putting on highlighting powder or highlighting cream. Yeah, it gives you that inner glow. Yeah, like, because if you don't sleep well like me, sometimes I don't sleep very well in the middle of the night, you know, think too much. Okay, and then you don't have that glow on your skin. But with this one, you can cheat. Can you see the glow on my skin? I really love it. So I'm gonna complete my look. Okay, I have already completed my look. Okay, and then can you see the complexion a bit chuk chuk kind of thing? Chuk chuk meaning glass skin in Korean. So if you are interested to try the Honey Glow finisher, just book me for appointment. And if you like this video that I did, please give me a like and then subscribe to my video. Every week I'll try to do 2 videos to teach you all how to take care of your skin, and then do styling, and also take care and then do beauty on makeup for new latest trend. And then so I'm going to complete this look with my Mary Kay at Play lipstick. Today I'm going pink because you know, when you do a presentation. Okay, let me do my lips. Okay, because I read this somewhere, okay, I'm not supposed to believe in feng shui fashion, but you know, if you're doing some network party or going to meet people, if you want to appear more friendly, you can wear all pink, you can wear pink lipstick, pink makeup, or you can wear a pink jacket, up to you. So this is what I learned. So this is just a little tip from me to you. So if you like this video, just give me a like and subscribe to my video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. So this is my complete look.